Hey guys, it's Raincloud. I'm gonna fill you in today on a project I've been working on, and it's definitely a work in progress because it's he takes on a little water. But this is Lloyd, the Jeepus duck, and he I'll kind of go over what he does in the video. But if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and of course I'll be making more on this as we go because it's definitely not finished. The autonomous stuff doesn't happen yet, but it's been a lot of fun to work on. Hope you enjoy. All right guys, welcome to the Lloyd cam. You're riding Lloyd the GPS duck, and he's making all kind of self-correction noises right now. So Lloyd is Lloyd is a project I've been working on, and he runs Inav, and I'm working on getting all the bugs for 2.5 worked out on him. But the idea is that he'll be an autonomous photography duck that I can take pictures of gooses with, because we got some baby gooses that got bornded. I'm running him with a FR Sky system, and he has a Maytech F405 mini board. He's using a GPS off of actually a Sky Viper toy drone. I've got a BN 880 output on him. He's got 3D printed parts, and some I designed, some I took from Thingiverse. But here's you go. Scary with the camera on there. Ooh, I don't want to disrupt him too much. Steering is currently reversed, which is fine. Oh, he's taking on water. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Lloyd, come home. Lloyd, come home. Oh, Lord. Lloyd, come home. Uh-oh. So pretty great. He takes on a little water right now, but overall I think it's pretty great, and I'm really excited to show you more about this project. I plan on doing waypoint missions, of course, with the boat and rover support out of Inav, and this is just a little quick deal to show you what I've been up to, because I'm very excited about Lloyd. And I've had some issues with the coating and whatnot, but we're pecking through. I've got to seal his hull a little bit, and then I'm going to add some buoyancy so that I can hang more cameras off of him. Right now I'm using a Session, which obviously wasn't the greatest, but you know, it kind of kiltered off. But we can add some ballast weight and some buoyancy and some other things to make this go really well. Thanks for tuning in. I've been Raincloud, and you're on Lloyd.